Hey, this is Paul. This is a repair for Whitney. This is a K7500 medium resolution monitor. Not a hard repair. Complaint was it was losing focus and had brightness issues. I put a new flyback on, new caps, reflowed key points, redid the neck board, and the resulting picture. Looks beautiful. That big scan line is just how the camera picks up the picture, but we have a nice crisp picture. No more focus problems. Everything is nice and stable. We are looking good. I will get ready to send this guy back. Whitney forgot to bring the remote board, so this is my remote board, so she'll have to reconnect her remote board when it comes back, which is plugged in right there. Neck board is already hooked up. Everything else was within spec and it needed nothing else, so I'll get ready to send it back. See ya.